Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we are making red skin garlic mashed potatoes. For this recipe, we are using 3 pounds of red skin potatoes. To begin, cut the potatoes into chunks. The size does not really matter. Then place all your potato chunks into a large pot, followed by 7 to 8 garlic cloves. And the trick here is that instead of water, we are using 6 cups of chicken broth. Add in 1 teaspoon of kosher salt or to taste. Now cook the potatoes over high heat for about 20 to 25 minutes or until fork tender. Drain and transfer the cooked potatoes and garlic into a large mixing bowl. Then add in 5 tablespoons of unsalted butter, followed by 1/3 of a cup of cream cheese, half a cup of buttermilk. With a potato masher, mash away garlic and all. Now you may taste and adjust salt if needed. You may garnish with fresh chives if you like. And now you are ready to eat. You may also serve with your favorite gravy. And there you guys have it. Red skin garlic mashed potatoes. Enjoy! Buen provecho and thanks for watching. Bye!